Hey, good morning everyone. It's Marv Eisen and today is Wednesday, September 22nd. And we start out the day as we do every day with a look at the economic calendar to see what news and announcements are scheduled for the day, to see if anything might be market moving. And what do you know? Today we have a 2 p.m. FOMC statement, followed by the Fed chairman speaking at 2:30. I strongly advise if you are trading, stay out of the market just prior to and after 2 p.m. This is going to be a market moving event, and that's because the Fed is looking to taper its bond buying program. That's going to affect the stock market in ways that some think are positive, some think are negative. It's going to cause a big swing in the S&P. So if my advice to you, keep an eye on your chart and just watch the roller coaster action. Moving on to the morning news, all flags are in the green. The Dow is up 190 and S&P futures are up almost 24. Everything else is in the green. Everything is a party. We're going to the moon. Are we really? Not so fast. There is a story here, in case you haven't seen it on the regular news, and let me find it for you. House passes bill to avoid shutdown, suspend debt limit. This is the government program that allows the government to borrow money, and the Republicans are threatening to prevent this from happening, and that could cause a whole world of hurt in the United States and around the world. It's a kabuki dance that politicians do every year or so. I wouldn't think that they are going to actually not pass a debt ceiling increase, but we will see. The Republicans typically, and Mitch McConnell typically, is a man of his word. At any rate, this is something to watch out for. And remember, the market likes certainty. They like a sure thing. They don't like uncertainty. This is a big uncertainty right now. And certainly the FOMC announcement at 2 p.m. is a definite certainty, so stay out of the market this afternoon at 3:30 if you want to trade, it'll be okay. Now, yesterday, I'm going to my chart, and yesterday I started out by showing you what the support and resistance numbers calculated to on yesterday. And part of the video that I made yesterday is right here. I'm going to give it to you right here. I'm going to expand this. Now here we are. The market is just after 9:30 on Tuesday, September 21st. Obviously, I'm not trading. I'm making this video, but I'm doing this for your benefit. So what happened yesterday? Well, here was the support and resistance. I made the video right around that the market opened at 9:30 or so. And if you copied the support and resistance numbers on your chart yesterday and the previous day's close that I gave you, you probably did, or you should have done pretty well, because prices followed support and resistance very, very well yesterday. And we did have a window that formed in the morning, and that window was closed at about 10:45. So the calculations, the pre-market calculations worked out for us, and the closing the gap, that worked out for us. So yesterday was a good day. Moving forward to today, and I just want to adjust the close. This was the September 20th close. I want to adjust this to the close of September 21st, and that's right there. Okay, so that's the close that we're looking for on September 22nd, today. Now, here's the calculation of support and resistance for today, September 22nd. Right here. It's basically, support and resistance are basically a sandwich. Support at 43.65, resistance at 43.68. Don't know. Our gap, and it looks like the market is going to gap up. Our gap is, it looks like we have about a 24-point gap right now. Who knows what the market is going, where the market's going to open. Right now it's about 8:20 Eastern time. So we will see what happens today. But then again, it's FOMC day, and it's an FOMC day where big news is expected. So I make no predictions, nor do I make predictions at any other day. I just tell you what is very possible, a very strong possibility of happening. And as we saw yesterday, numbers worked out beautifully. At any rate, today, let's see what happens. As always, trade safe, exercise patience, and if you're looking for some training on how to trade S&P E-minis and micro E-minis, take my course at timelessdollar.com, and I have a free course. By the way, did I tell you it's free on risk management? So check out my course at timelessdollar.com, especially my free course. It costs you nothing. Maybe you'll actually learn something useful. I think you will. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen. It's Wednesday, September 22nd. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.